Anyway,
Yeah.
off the subject now. This one's just simply a shout out, YouTube shout out to a channel called Vintage RV Adventures. She does remember.
I just wanted to see if you did.
Yeah, I know, because I always forget. That's why she did that. So Vintage RV Adventures, check them out. Really, really good channel. Basically, it's all about them. They've bought an old American-style RV, and they're doing it on their front garden.
Yeah.
Got a big garden. They got in the front there, and they're doing it all out. And I tell you what, it's brilliant to watch.
It's looking lovely, isn't it?
You wouldn't think how it looks now. What it used to look like it was
When they first bought it. Yeah.
I even I thought to myself, you know
yeah.
what, that's a lot of work, you know, how they're going to do that. And already there's a massive difference. Absolutely fantastic. It's a particular bit you liked, weren't they, when you watched through a few of their videos recently?
Yeah, Samantha, they've got an overcab bed, haven't they?
Yes,
And
like
she's-
us, yeah, bigger
The
than us, I
mattresses,
think.
she's covered them all herself. You know, she's done a brilliant job.
Yeah,
It looks
yeah.
smashing.
Yeah.
I want the kitchen tap.
But there, look.
I want the kitchen tap as well.
The
as
kitchen
few-
tap.
as well as
Oh
a few
yeah,
other things.
that's quite good. That isn't it? Yeah, you'll have to watch to see what we're on about, but it's the way
And
they've got it.
They've
It's really
installed
good.
a diesel heater because we're thinking about doing that later on, aren't we?
Yes, possibility.
Better late than never.
Possibility. Yeah, I know. It's cold now.
Yeah.
But
But and they're lovely people, aren't they?
Yeah.
They're so nice.
we actually might go and visit them as well
Yeah.
at some point, because they're only in Tamworth Way.
Yeah,
It's Tamworth.
yeah.
It's not far from here.
Yes, we definitely will. We definitely
Yeah,
will.
we'll
But I
pop
say they're really
round.
busy at the minute, so we'll wait and we'll
And it's
go
Christmas, isn't it?
yeah.
You don't want to go
I
on at
can have a
Christmas
proper
time.
nosy round the van then. Decide what I want you to do.
Yeah, right. Yeah, well, we ain't really got to do much in ours now,
No.
are we? We've
But-
done pretty much.
Yeah, but we can alter things, can't we? Please check them out because they're a lovely couple and
Yeah.
they're working
Brilliant.
really hard to make
Absolutely
this van look,
brilliant.
you know.
Every video, they're showing you in great detail what they're doing on each bit.
Yeah,
So anybody who's considering doing something similar, buying an old van and doing it out,
yeah.
or
Oh,
whatever
yeah,
van really,
definitely.
you don't have to be a big RV, you know.
Yeah.
Gives you some good tips,
Yeah.
and
And it gives you ideas as
I
well,
can't think what his
doesn't it?
name is now. Sorry about that. I can't remember what your name is. But his mate who's helping out,
Yeah.
helping out, doing most of the work, I think, he's doing a fantastic carpentry job.
Yeah.
The work he's done, because I like woodwork,
Yeah,
and when I watch what he does, he's doing a fantastic job, isn't
yeah,
he?
yeah.
Absolutely brilliant.
Yeah.
So
I'm sure when they've finished, it'll be what's the matter?
something's sticking in me. Oh, look in a minute.
I'm sure when they're finished, it'll look fantastic, won't it?
Yeah.
It'll look gorgeous.
You're moaning at me. Oh. What's going on behind my back? Hold on a minute.
Oh, it's my bag.
Hold on, what's all this here? Look at that handbag.
Well, I've got
What's all this?
sweet boxes, sweet cases, present for somebody. I'll just put them here so I know where they all are. And keep them on there, then I can sort them
Oh my
out.
god! It's like a brick. It's sticking in me back. It's hard work getting on Jan's side, and then this side we got Charles. You're right, mate.
He's waiting to go out.
I
bless him.
know you want to go out, don't you, mate? Hey, I know. Gotta wait for that rain to stop, mate. Gonna get soaked.
You have to get him a little jacket.
Yeah, we'll get him a hat with an umbrella on it. Stick it on his head.
Bless him. Little wellies. But anyway, back to definitely check them out because they're lovely.
Oh yeah, yeah,
They're well worth a look and they're
Definite.
working really hard.
yeah. Brilliant. So that's our shout out for this month. I hope you've enjoyed these little videos. I know a few of you are.